Hi. A map can be incredibly useful. It can show us where we are, where we want to go, and which roads might take us there. But a map is not the place itself. It cannot show us every tree along the road. It cannot capture the smell of the air, the sound of the traffic, or the feeling of standing in that particular place. A map represents reality, but it does not contain all of reality. The same is true of a mathematical model. An equation can describe how a population grows. A graph can show the path of a planet. A statistical model can estimate how people are likely to behave. These models can reveal something true and important. But every model focuses our attention on certain features while leaving other features out. A model of population growth may not account for a war, or a new technology, or a cultural change. A financial model may describe investment returns without capturing the fear that someone feels when the market suddenly falls. The model may be accurate within its purpose without being the whole story. Problems begin when we forget the difference between a representation and the reality it represents. We begin to trust the map more than the landscape. In religious language, this can be a form of idolatry. We often think of an idol as a physical statue that someone worships. But perhaps idolatry can happen whenever we take something limited and treat it as though it was ultimate. That limited thing could be an image, it could be a political philosophy, it could be a theological system. Think systematic theology. It could even be our own understanding of God. Words, metaphors, doctrines, and traditions can help shape our understanding of God. We describe God as a father, a shepherd, a king, a rock, or a consuming fire. Each image reveals something meaningful, but none of them contains the fullness of God. A shepherd is a helpful picture, but God is not merely a shepherd. A king reveals authority, but it does not say everything about God's tenderness. Even when our words are true, the reality towards which they point is greater than the words themselves. A shape can help us see, but it can also limit our vision. It becomes a window when we look through it toward a reality beyond itself. It becomes a wall when we assume that nothing exists beyond the boundaries we have drawn. And I think this requires a particular kind of humility. We do not have to discard our maps, our models, our beliefs. We need them. Without them, we would struggle to understand or communicate anything. But we can hold them with an awareness that reality may be larger than our representation of it. Mathematics teaches us to appreciate models while continuing to test their boundaries. Faith may invite us to do something similar, to treasure what has been revealed while remaining humble before the mystery that remains. So here's our question for today. Is there a picture, a model, or belief in your life that you might be asking to contain more of reality than it possibly can? I know I can think of a couple for myself.